Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. I am doing something that I have not done before. It's going to happen on Sunday, tomorrow. I'm going to go live on the YouTube. Yep, I'm calling it the YouTube because I'm an old guy. But we're going to talk about that car right there because this car is bringing all kinds of subscribers to the channel. So tomorrow, Sunday, at 3 o'clock Central Standard Time, we are going live. We'll talk about the S600. We can talk about the S63 AMG. We can talk about older body styles, the 126, the 560 SEL, or even if you want to talk about the good luck car, this right here, the GL450, complete with the Monkey Wrench Mike sticker. Yep, we can talk about that as well. So for the first time on Sunday, tomorrow, please tune in. Please join us. Open discussion. We'll talk about everything that is wrong with all of the cars that I have and my obvious lack of intelligence. Yeah, we'll see you then. Bye, everybody.